To solve for the value of x, the first thing I'm going to do is convert 8 to the power of 3. 8 is the same as 2 to the power of 3. Therefore, I'll replace 8 with 2 to the power of 3. The new equation will be 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x. This will give us 130. I can rewrite this again. 2 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of x is the same as 130 again. The two equations are the same, only that I interchanged 3 with x. Now, we can let 2 raised to the power of x here. We can let 2 raised to the power of x be any letter, let's say y. And I'm going to rewrite this equation in terms of y. Therefore, this will be y raised to the power of 3 plus y equals to 130. We have formed a complex cubic equation, and it will be very difficult for us to solve it. Now, but we are going to use another approach. We are not going to solve it using the cubic equation formula. We can think of two numbers. When we add them, it gives us 130, considering that one of them is cube. So one of the number can be, if we cube 5 and add 5, this will clearly give us 130, because 5 cubed is the same as 125, plus 5 will be 130. Now, you can look at these two equations and confirm that y is the same as 5. Once you have that, we go back to this one, and instead of writing y, we replace y with 5. So we write 2 raised to the power of x is the same as 5. The next step is to multiply log base 10 on both sides here, and we have log 2 raised to the power of x is the same as the log of 5. Now here, we will follow one of the logarithm rule that says log x raised to the power of n is the same as log n log x, n log x. In this case, our n is x, so we can write this as x log 2 is equal to log 5. Then we divide both sides by log 2. This will give us x will be the logarithm of 5 using the scientific calculator will be 0.698 divided by the logarithm of 2, which is 0.301, and this gives us 2.3198.